Hello and welcome back. In this session, I want us to take a look at basic command line skills that you need to have as a programmer using the Macintosh operating system. And so in the next few videos, we will spend quite some time in the terminal application that comes with your Macintosh computer. And so I'm going to start off by showing you how to start your terminal. So you go to what they call expose in the Mac operating system, and then you search for terminal and you click on that. So depending on the version of Macintosh that you have installed, you should see something that looks similar to this. Yours could be having a white background and the black text in the white background, but mine has the black background and the white text on it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the font size a bit to improve legibility for you guys, and I think this is good enough. Now let me explain to you what a terminal is if you are somebody who haven't used a terminal at all. So what you need to know is, for most of the things that you do on your computer using the mouse to point and click, you can also do similar things using the terminal application. The difference is that inside a terminal, what you use are commands instead of using the mouse to point and click. So you issue commands using your keyboard, and then when you press enter, the terminal is going to execute which command you executed, and it is going to give you the necessary output per the command that you executed. So there are several commands and you don't need to know all of them. I'm going to show you just the few that you need to be able to get your job done as a programmer using the Macintosh operating system. So when you start a terminal, you can see that it already points to some folder on your computer. Because of some settings on my computer, mine looks a bit different. But if I type the command pwd, it is going to tell me where on my computer the terminal is pointing to. pwd stands for present working directory or present working folder, and that is the current folder that is visible to your terminal application, and it starts off pointing to your home folder. So on this computer there's a folder called pi, which is in the users folder, and that is where the terminal starts its life from. I can open that folder by doing open dot, and you can see that indeed there is a folder called users, and inside users there is a folder called pi, and that is where the terminal has started its life from. And so everything inside the pi folder here is reachable to the terminal and it can see it. Okay, so the first command you have learned is the pwd command that helps you to check the present working directory. I'm going to end this video here, and in the next session we take a look at another command that helps us to list the content of the present working directory. So thank you very much and see you soon.